today I got a notification that Windows 11 is available for upgrade for one of my laptop. If you want to check if you have the Windows 11 update available or not, then you can just go to the settings, update settings, and you can check whether you have the installation available or not. It will take some time, but the installation will be seamless. That's what I see here. Once downloaded, it requires a restart to complete the installation. Windows 11 is purely a new look. This part of the video is shot after the Windows 11 is installed on my machine. The icons looks different. You can see the folder icons are different. The taskbar is showing all the icons, search bar, etc. in the middle. This is something different. I think there should be a way to bring them to the left. I will do some research and share the details in another video. Let's see all these icons quickly. The widgets icon is different and showing in the middle. Earlier it was on the right side next to the date and time. If you remember, in Windows 10 it was on the right side. My previous frequently opened sites still showing as it is if I open the Chrome browser. And see, the icons are changed and different icons for each folder. Fill is deciding what are the contents inside it. Like you can see the picture folder has a different it's like a picture icon. Video has the same thing. So this is the first look of Windows. I will keep exploring and will share my experience with you all. That's it for now from this video. Please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you very much, friends.